There are more than 382 million diabetics in the world. Dieting, exercise, medicines, and insulin supplements are powerful weapons to fight this menace. But it's most important to know your blood sugar level and let your doctor know that quickly. Blood sugar level indicated by a glucometer may be normal, high, or very high. But what if there's a traffic jam on your way to the doctor, and at the hospital there's a jostling crowd? What do you do then? Call your doctor? You can just give the bare results. What if the doctor is not available? This is when Diabeez comes to the rescue. Diabeez is a revolutionary application designed to give diabetics the expert advice of a diabetologist. It instantly reports your results to a diabetes management system and your doctor. The doctor has Diabeez on his computer, and presto, the best professional advice comes to you on your Diabeez page wherever you are. There are glucometers that store a number of test results, but they are no match to Diabeez when it comes to diabetes management. All you need is a smartphone and the powerful mobile application Diabeez. Help comes through an interactive voice response system, or go to the website www.diabeez.com.